Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a story that's as ancient as the Earth itself, a narrative etched in the very fabric of the world. It's a tale of immense power, profound responsibility, and the relentless pursuit of survival. Imagine the vast African savanna, bathed in the soft, golden hues of a rising sun. The air is still, carrying the scent of dry grass and distant promise. On a solitary hill, a silhouette emerges against the dawn, a lion, the undisputed king of this domain. But this isn't just a majestic image. It's a snapshot of a life lived on the edge. The life of a lion, particularly a dominant male, is a constant, demanding battle. It's a role that comes with unparalleled prestige, but also with an almost unbearable weight of responsibility. He's the protector, the provider, the guardian of his pride. His strength isn't just for show. It's the shield that keeps his family safe from the myriad dangers that lurk in the shadows. Every sunrise brings new challenges, from territorial disputes with rival males to the ever-present need to secure enough food for his lionesses and their cubs. Think about the sheer physical toll. The hunts are arduous, requiring immense energy and strategic prowess. The defense of his territory can lead to brutal confrontations, where a single misstep can have devastating consequences. He bears the scars of these encounters, not as marks of defeat, but as testaments to his resilience. His roar, a sound that echoes across the plains, is more than just a declaration of dominance. It's a warning, a rallying cry, and sometimes a lament for the sacrifices made. Yet, amidst this constant struggle, there is an undeniable beauty. It's in the fierce loyalty he shows his pride, the gentle nuzzles he offers his cubs, the quiet moments of rest under the vast African sky. His existence is a powerful reminder of the intricate balance of nature, where strength and vulnerability coexist. He embodies a primal instinct to persevere, to adapt, and to lead, even when the odds seem insurmountable. This isn't just a story about a wild animal. It's a profound metaphor for the challenges we all face in our own lives. We all have our savannas to navigate, our rivals to contend with, and our prides to protect. The lion's journey teaches us about courage in the face of adversity, the importance of unwavering dedication to those we care about, and the quiet dignity that comes from facing life's trials head-on. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of the wild. It's a privilege to share these powerful stories with you. If you found this inspiring, please consider following for more explorations of life's most compelling narratives.